How is everyone doing again today? What's up to everyone? All my followers, subscribers. Got another little treat for y'all. Same day, 2 Jeeps. Same Saturday evening. 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Fully loaded. Nice blue color. Just go around, show you the body, which is in mint conditions. If you follow me on Instagram, showed you the process. We fixed this car, what we did. Just go around and show you the body, which is in immaculate condition. That fifth wheel in the back looks real nice. I forgot the exact mileage on this car. I'll show you in a second. Again, this is the Sahara, fully loaded. It's got everything. You got the hard top on this one as opposed to the soft one we got on the other one. Tires brand new. Navi, leather. You know, you got the Bluetooth radio in there. Check out this interior. Very nice interior. Put this down. Got the Navi, obviously. This one's got 64,000 miles. Mint conditions. Obviously, you got the 4-wheel drive on this vehicle. It's a Jeep. As you can see, that little Sahara thing right there. Mint conditions. Come check her out. Got 2 Jeeps. If you don't like this one, you might like that one over there. Come check it out. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell their friends. We could all be friends. Follow me on Instagram, BuyRightAutoCenter. It's the one with the Bugatti sign on it. Little Bugatti profile picture on it. Come check me out. Got an ill price on this. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. Peace and love.